Hello! This video is going to be a tutorial on this look, and it's my interpretation of Circus Baby from Five Nights at Freddy's sister location. And I did like a combination of like regular Baby and the one in FNAF World or Custom Night, I don't know. So I'm going to start with moisturizing my face, and I'm using the Body Shop's Vitamin E Dry Skin Moisturizer. And for this look, I'm gonna cover my brows, so I'm using just a good old regular glue stick and starting to put the glue stick on with the grain. So in the way that my natural eyebrows grow. And my mirror is right here, so that's the black thing, and that's why I'm looking this way. Oh, it's out of focus. A lot of people take like a spoolie and like brush the hairs up. I don't do that, first of all because I don't have a spoolie, and second of all because I think, at least for me, it works better when I just cover them like this. So the hairs are not used to being pushed up, so it's a much bigger chance that they will not be good. My voice. And I'm just doing a couple of layers. Now that I've done a couple of layers, I'm gonna take a spoon and I'm gonna just drag it so that it's flat. You need to do this while it's still wet. Or not wet, because then it will drag it off, but it can't be dry, because then you're just gonna remove all the glue. So I'm just gonna take some loose powder. This is from Makeup Revolution, their baking powder in the color Lace. And now I'm gonna color correct, and because the dark hairs make a blue hue, so we need to cover that with orange so that the foundation I put on top is more neutral. And then I'm putting powder over that as well. I'm actually going to do my foundation off camera because it takes some time to do, so I will be back when I put on my foundation. And I'm using the lightest foundation I own because I don't have a white face paint, and yeah. The thing is, it's probably my skin tone, so it's not going to make a huge difference. It's still going to look like skin, but it's fine. So, be back. I found a way how to make my foundation way lighter than it already is. I took a white eyeshadow and a like puff thing, and I just swirled it around and I pressed the white eyeshadow onto my skin. I found out that this was the best technique. I'm just gonna take this brush and put it in the white shadow and go all over my face. So I have a couple of reference pictures, and I'm gonna start mapping out where the different like discs, do you say that? I don't know, but how she's created is how she had like, so it's like different plates. I don't know if that's right, but it's different sections on the face, so you can see how it's divided. And I'm gonna take just a random eye pencil. This one is from Kiko, their Smart Color Eye Pencil in the shade 12. Ooh, wait, again. And I'm just gonna sharpen it, and then I'll start mapping out the shape. So I'm gonna look straight into a mirror and look at the picture. So I know that she has one here, like so, and then one here. Can you even see it? Yeah. Sorry for the faces I'm making. And then there's a line straight from here. Okay, so I mapped out everything now. I've mapped out everything now, so I'm gonna start with doing these lines in black to like, do the depth, and then I'm gonna do some highlights and then like create a shadow. It's hard to explain. It's just easier if I just like show what I'm doing. I'm using a just regular angle brush and Kiko Milano's Lasting Gel Eyeliner. I'm taking a like that color, and I'm first going to take a tiny brush and apply the like line out. I'm gonna continue with the brows. I have this purple eye pencil from Kiko as well, and I'm gonna do the brows, and they're pretty straight. So I guess we're not doing that. I have this. I think it's a similar color. So I'm gonna take a brush and I did one eye off camera, and now I'm taking a white eyeliner pen, eye pen. I still don't know what they're called, but I'm using one of those. And then I'm taking a Q-tip and dipping it in my gel liner and creating a circle. I'm gonna take my black eyeliner and put it around the eye. Now I'm gonna do the metallic on underneath where the black is, and to do that I'm using a mixture between a white liquid liner, a silver glitter liner, and a dark silver glitter liner. Black. Do you call it black? Anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna start with like doing small like stripes, and then go over them with the darkest glitter liner, and then the lightest to make some highlights. I'm gonna continue to do this here and underneath here and a little bit on the mouth, and then I'll be back because this takes a lot of time. Ew! I've done some highlighting and shading on this side, and I'm gonna take a white eyeshadow once again and put that wherever I feel like the highlights would be, like on the cheeks. I think it's the last step. I have pre-cut these, they're like nail tips, and I'm gonna glue them on with I'm gonna glue them on with eyelash glue to make the teeth. I'm gonna do a couple of teeth and then I'll be back because I want to concentrate on that. This is the final look, and hope you see me on the streets on Halloween. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. We're clowning!